Crease choker necklace. Do you like it? Today's video is going to be my MorpheMe unboxing video. Well, I've actually already unboxed it, but I wanted to show you guys what I got in it. So, without further ado, I'm just gonna jump in and get started. For those of you who don't know though, MorpheMe is a brush subscription, which is like legitimate my favorite. I guess, I don't know, I can't pick between like this and BoxyCharm, but like those two subscriptions are. To get right on started, I have 4 brushes this month. You usually get anywhere between like 3 and 8 brushes. One time I got 8 brushes. We had like a bunch of eye brushes. I've gotten really big brushes before, like this one came in my subscription, and I got other brushes as well. So you get all kinds of brushes out of this. It's $20 and I think it's totally worth it and I love it. So you always get a little flip out thing that tells you what the brushes are for, or you can check on Morphe's website. They're all authentic. So the theme for this one is a Spring Fling. It's got 4 brushes. First one that's on here is the R2 Pro Tapered Powder brush. I'm pretty excited about this. I really like that it is flat. I like powder brushes that are kind of flat. Just because it's flat, I think it's easy to get the powder. Powder doesn't go everywhere, so I'm excited about this one. One of my favorite powder brushes that I have is kind of like this. It's a little bit smaller, and I use that for my under eyes, and I love it. So hopefully this one will be just as good. Then the next one is E11 and E17 Angled Brow and Crease Precision Blender. So the crease blender is the E17, and it is pretty small like this, and I really like these because you can get right there in the crease exactly where you want. Because for example, like a big blending brush like this, you can tell the difference in size here. So this is definitely going to give you like a big space of color, while this is going to keep it precise where you want it to actually be. I am excited about that because I don't have a whole lot of these. Oh my gosh. Got mascara in my eyeball. Okay, and then the other one is the E11 Angled Brow brush. Now, to me personally, this is really big for my brows. I probably won't use it for that. When I use a brow brush, I use one that's about this big. Look how big that is. Look how small my brows are. Like, this is taller than my brows are. So for somebody who has way thicker brows than me, this might work for you. I think it's a little bit big for brows personally for me. So this one I'm not like super jazzed about, but I'm sure I'll find a use for it, or I can give it to somebody who will. And the last brush that we got this month is the E47 flat contour, or small flat angled contour brush, and that is this one right here. And I'm really excited about this because I think this will be really good for nose contouring. The brush that I use right now for that is pretty small, but it's not as thin as this is, like right here. And so I'm really excited because I can get right in there exactly where I want it with this. I'm super excited about this. This is probably my favorite brush that we got this month, so yeah, I'm excited. And then there's always a little coupon code on the back for 10% off. But yeah, we got 4 brushes this month. So far I'm excited about 3 of them, and I'll need to find a use or a person for this one. But I really like them, and this is one of my favorite subscriptions, so you should check it out, especially if you are wanting to grow your brush collection. Brushes are one of the things that I really like about makeup, and so I always want more brushes. So for 20 bucks a month, you get a few brushes, and usually you get either brushes that equal up to 20 bucks, or you get sometimes brushes that are worth more than 20 bucks, and you can always check that out on Morphe's site. So that's all I've got for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell so that you get notifications every time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!